Hey out there, it's Wakeangel 2001, and I've decided that I'm going to do unboxings. Yes, people send me a lot of packages, and I sometimes order stuff online a lot, and I have things that would be worth opening up. This was sent to me by a fan who offered to help me out when I was in a time of need. Zeusthefox. He is from DeviantArt. And no, this is not for a commission. I know it's in here. It's gonna be cool, but this is not related to my commission thing. So don't worry, you aren't missing out on your whole send me stuff things yet. That's not coming up yet. Okay, so we have an emergency vehicle driving by. Alright, so as I open this, I will relate a story. This goes back to the Sonic the Hedgehog action figure line from Jakks Pacific, and how it is very difficult to get the figures here in New York. As I have said in the past, my belief is that shipments sent from the manufacturing plants in Asia hit the West Coast, and then they're distributed from the West Coast to the East Coast. And since I live in New York, we're one of the last places to get the figures, and given how this is the COVID year, where everything is, especially non-essentials, are being delayed, the Sonic toy line was slow to come here. And even when it did come here, it was typically only like one shipment. I was lucky to get the 4-inch figures at the Collector Cave, because I just happened to show up at the time, but when the Collector Cave got 3-inch figures in, the entire wave sold out pretty much that within a few minutes, and by the time I got there it was all gone. Alright, so to save on shipping, a couple of the figures were sent to me unboxed, but he did send me a card. This is one of the Wave 2 cards. It's Metal Sonics. And the accessories, we have the Trick Spring from Sonic Generations, and a Master Emerald. Very nice, very nice. So, you can probably predict what else is going to be in the box, which involves getting all this packaging off. Oop, we got something wrapped up. It is a 4-inch Metal Sonic figure. Haha! Look at that. Alright, so that's one thing. Let's get that off to the side. Going back into the box, we must know what else is here. Yep, it's the 4-inch Knuckles figure from the Jakks Pacific line. So, not counting the re-releases, this means that I officially have the complete collection of 4-inch figures from Jakks Pacific. We will do more specific in-depth videos about those, but the box is nowhere near empty yet, because he also included the entire Wave 1 of the 2.5-inch figures. So we've got Metal Sonic, the Chow, Tails, Knuckles, and a repeat Sonic. I just decided to. He asked if he already knew that I had the regular Sonic figure that came with the Green Hill playset, but I said, you know what, go ahead and include the individual release Sonic, just in case there's something different, I can compare them. So yes, the entirety of Wave 1's 2.5-inch figures, and the 2 original figures for Wave 2 of the 4-inch line. Alright, so with that, I guess what follows next will have to be a series of reviews of these guys. So, look forward to that.